I offer you to eliminate one word from your life or reduce it, and your happiness will just skyrocket. Should. How should the parents of your kids be? How should your husband or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your spouse be? How should traffic be? How should the President of the United States be? I didn't say which one. You just made up a story about whichever one. It doesn't matter. There have been others. You've been trained to believe that your mind and the expectations created by your mind are how reality should be. Why do you think there's so much anxiety? Why do you think there's so much depression? Because from a little kid, you've been taught that your mind is real and the world should be the way your mind says it, and when it's not. There are kids graduating college with a ton of debt, thinking that they should get a job just because they have a piece of paper. And then they think that they should be the manager and get a raise within 3 months. Because it's all in the mind. So I offer you an opportunity. Stop shooting all over yourself. Don't shoot all over your parents. Don't shoot on your kids. Don't shoot on yourself.